Innovate Company is a professional in medium and high pressure compressed air products. We are adhering to innovation, progress, and leading development concept to provide excellent products and customer services. Our products exhaust pressure up to 40 bar, oil-free and automatic system for users friendly. Our oil-free compressed air is green eco-friendly products and leads the development direction to the compressor industry in the future. Our machine water lubrication component is made of 100% stainless steel. Automatic water supply and water change, automatic drainage, automatic cooling system, full-type automatic control system, machine temperature controlled below 45 degrees Celsius, efficient water and gas separation system, finally discharged clean compressed air. The involvement of air compressor compliance with IoT integrated user-friendly. This is our new generation of oil-free, water-lubricated, medium and high-pressure screw compression hose systems for the future. By integrated international technology, the internal structure is optimized to make water spray, lubrication, sealing, cooling, etc. The system has better stability and ensures that the machine can run 24 hours. The whole machine adopts permanent magnet frequency conversion multi-access of compression. Compared with single machine compression, it can save energy by more than 20%. The products are widely used in pharmaceutical, food, petrochemical, textile, electronics, spraying, PET blowing, and other industries.